Hello everyone, this is our third tutorial on Django, and in this tutorial we will learn about configuring the routes in Django. And this is the app that we have created in the previous video, which is blog. I am opening views.py file of this blog app, and now I need to import HTTP response function from django.http module. Now I need to define home function, and I need to pass the request as an argument, and if I need to provide the response as hi friend, then I can provide the response like this. Suppose the user is making the request at this URL, then I need to define some patterns, like if there's a blog and a home inside the URL that the user is trying to access, then you need to execute this home function and return hi friend as a response. I can do so by creating urls.py file inside this blog app, and I can make use of this urls.py file of my site for doing this. As I am already having admin route, so I don't need this here again, and I need to define some pattern, like if there is home at the end of the URL, then I need to execute the home function from views.py file. So I need to include views.py file from blog app as well, and I have given the name as the home to this URL pattern. Okay, so I need to include this urls.py file of the blog app inside urls.py file of my site. I can do so by making use of the include function like this, and I need to import this include function as well. Now as you can see here, if there's a blog inside the URL pattern, then it will check for the URL patterns inside the urls.py file of blog app. Now as you can see here, the user is making the request at this URL, and we have already defined that if there is a blog in the URL, then it will look for the pattern inside blog app urls.py file. And since there is a pattern of home inside this urls.py file of blog, then this home function will be executed and it will return the response as hi friend. So let us make this request. Let me first start my development server and check if we are getting the hi friend as a response or not. Okay, so we are getting this hi friend as a response if I am trying to access this URL. Suppose you need to add some more URL pattern, then you can also do so by defining another function like this. So you can define it there, hi, this is home page for the home route, and you can define hi, this is about page for the about route. Now you need to define, like if there is a home at the end of the URL, you need to execute this home function, and if there's a about at the end of the URL, then you need to execute this about function, and you have named this URL pattern as about. So let me try this again. and try to reload this, then you can see at the same URL we are now getting this response like, hi, this is home page. And if we try to check the pattern about, then you can see here we are getting the response as, hi, this is about page. So that's it for this video, and if you have any query you can mention your query in the comment section. I will try to answer those queries. Thank you for watching.